Here on the right side, there is a slide pane that displays a large view of this current slide, and this one is the uh, large view of this current slide. And at the bottom of this, you can write a note of every current slide. Okay, so this is the slide sorter view. Here we can see all the slides at a time. um, this is called a slide sorter view. Just you have to click here to show all the to see all the slides at a time. This one is presentation view, and this one is your slide view. Use slide sorter view. How to use? Slide can be easily ordered, sorted, and moved or copied. So for that purpose, we are using this slide sorter view. And here we can shift any slide from one place to another place. The icon on the slide sorter toolbar can use to set timing for the slideshow and to apply animation effects on it also. This one is note page view. In this note page view, you can write your notes, okay, regarding this current presentation, current slides. Okay, so here we can include images. Note page view is used to enter notes of the for the slide in the presentation. Include an image of the associated slides also you can insert below, which is an area to type text. So this one is your slide, and here we can write any text about regarding this slide. Okay, so this facility is given in note page view. Next is slideshow view. In the slideshow view, so currently I am in slideshow view. The slideshow view displays slides in full screen, and it displays the slide exactly it will appear when presentation is given. Okay, so he running and closing the presentation. Refer to viewing the presentation slideshow. First slide to the last slide. Run presentation. You can use view menu or slideshow menu. It's your choice. Okay. And for the slides, here some for slideshow view, you can directly press F5 shortcut key. Okay, this one is the function key. By pressing this, you can directly start your slideshow menu. So to run a slideshow, just go through menu, slideshow, view show. Just you have to either you can click on this or you can press directly F5 without opening this menu bar. Okay, so you can use these shortcut keys. Sometimes in your exam, shortcut keys are so many shortcut keys are asked you in the different menu bar. From the different menu bar, the first slide appears in this full screen mode is like this. Navigation to this, view the rest of the slides. The various way used to navigate through slide during a slide show are given in this table. So these are the keystrokes and actions. So enter spacebar or N, down arrow or page down arrow. Okay. So advantage of advance to the next slide. So here these are the either you can press enter, spacebar, down arrow or page down. If you want to go next slide, you can also press page down key on your keyboard. P dot backspace, up arrow or page. Okay. If you want to go back to the previous slide, at that time you have to press backspace, up arrow or page up. Number and then enter key. Go to the slide number. Specifically, if you want to go to a specific slide, at that time you have to enter the number of the slide. Go to the slide number directly. You can go to that particular. Suppose I want to go for the 10th slide. At that time, just you have to enter the number and press enter. So it will go. The control will be transferred to that particular slide. Here, escape button. If you want to end the slideshow, at that time you have to just press escape button. And if you want to display or turn off your black screen, Suppose just I am pressing here Shift B. So at that time black screen will appear. Okay, like this. When you press capital B. Okay, display or turn off a black screen. Just again you have to press. So this is toggle key. So when you once you press Control plus B, at that time screen get black, and again when you press same key at that time Shift plus Shift B. Sorry. Either you can press Shift B or make a caps lock on, and then you can press Shift B again. Okay. So just you have to press capital B, capital B. If caps lock is on, no need to press Shift button. If you press W button, capital W, display or turn off a white screen. Okay. Displays or turn off the white screen. Try all these things. Next is object. This is the slide. During the slideshow, you will find 4 buttons at the bottom of the left side of the slide. So these are the first, second,